The Titanic was called the ship that could never sink, but on its very first voyage, it disappeared into the freezing Atlantic, creating one of history's greatest mysteries.
In the early 1900s, the Titanic was the largest and most luxurious passenger ship ever built. People believed it represented the future of ocean travel. The ship was built by thousands of skilled workers in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Construction took more than 2 years and cost millions of dollars.
Titanic measured nearly 882 feet long and featured elegant dining rooms, grand staircases, swimming pools, and luxurious cabins unlike anything seen before.
Many newspapers claimed the Titanic was practically unsinkable. This reputation gave passengers and crew a powerful sense of confidence before the journey began. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed from Southampton, England. It carried more than 2,200 passengers and crew toward New York City. The passengers included wealthy businessmen, famous families, immigrants, and hard-working crew members. Each person had their own dreams for the future. The first few days of the voyage were peaceful. The sea was calm, the weather was clear, and everything seemed to be going perfectly. However, wireless operators began receiving several warnings about dangerous icebergs floating directly along the Titanic's planned route across the North Atlantic. Despite those warnings, the Titanic continued sailing. No one on board imagined the disaster. On the evening of April 14, the air became extremely cold. The ocean looked calm and almost perfectly still, making icebergs much harder to spot.
Keep your eyes on the left.
There is nothing but darkness. Iceberg right ahead! Turn hard to port! Hard to port! Reverse the engines!
From the passenger's point of view, the collision felt surprisingly gentle. Many people didn't even realize anything serious had happened.
Below the surface, the iceberg had torn open several sections of the hull. Freezing seawater rushed into the lower compartments.
The ship was designed to survive flooding in 4 compartments. But 6 compartments were now filling with water. We are going down!
The ship will sink. The ship will sink. She has only a few hours. Begin sending out distress signals immediately!
Clear away the lifeboats! Men, get these davits swinging out now! Everyone on deck with your lifebelts!
At first, many passengers refused to board the lifeboats. They believed the giant Titanic was still much safer than the small boats.
No! Women and children first! Stand back! I will find you, I promise!
Families were suddenly separated, not knowing if they would ever meet again.
Ladies and gentlemen, step forward into the boat! We have room for more!
I think I would rather stay on the ship.
Lower away! Evenly on both sides, lower away!
As more seawater poured inside, the front of the Titanic slowly dipped beneath the freezing Atlantic, while the back rose higher.
Passengers now realized the danger was real.
Women and children first!
Crowds rushed toward the remaining lifeboats,
Lower the boats now!
hoping to escape before it was too late.
Mayday! Mayday! This is the Sea Star!
The closest ship was still too far away. The freezing Atlantic Ocean was only about -2 degrees Celsius. Anyone entering the water had only minutes to survive.
At 2:20 am on April 15, 1912, the Titanic disappeared beneath the ocean, taking more than 1,500 lives with it.
Is anybody there? Help us!
We are over here!
Can you hear me?
Many people who ended up in the icy ocean couldn't survive for long. The freezing water rapidly drained body heat, making rescue extremely difficult.
Around 4 a.m., the rescue ship Carpathia arrived. She began searching the dark ocean for survivors. The Carpathia rescued more than 700 survivors, but over 1,500 people had already lost their lives in the disaster. News of the tragedy shocked the entire world. Newspapers called it one of the greatest maritime disasters in modern history. Investigations revealed that there were far too few lifeboats for everyone on board, a mistake that cost many lives. Experts also discovered that several iceberg warnings had been received before the collision, raising difficult questions about the decisions made that night.
The disaster changed international maritime safety forever. New laws required enough lifeboats for every passenger, and continuous radio communication at sea.
Even after the tragedy, one question remained unanswered. Where was the Titanic resting beneath the vast Atlantic Ocean? For more than 70 years, the Titanic's exact location remained unknown. The world's most famous ship had simply vanished beneath the sea. In 1985, an international expedition finally discovered the wreck nearly 3,800 meters below the surface of the North Atlantic Ocean. Powerful underwater cameras revealed broken sections of the ship resting silently on the ocean floor after decades in complete darkness. Researchers found personal belongings scattered across the seabed, including shoes, dishes, luggage, and many other reminders of the passengers. The discovery answered one mystery, but it also created new questions about exactly how the Titanic broke apart before sinking. Modern computer simulations showed that the iceberg caused a series of small openings, allowing water to flood the ship faster than expected.
Scientists continue studying the wreck. Deep-sea bacteria are slowly consuming the steel. The Titanic is disappearing piece by piece.
Many myths still surround the disaster, but historians separate proven facts from popular legends, using evidence gathered over many decades.
More than a century later, the Titanic remains a powerful reminder.
The Titanic's story is not just about a ship, it is a story of ambition and lessons that changed history forever. Subscribe for more mystery and unsolved facts.
One of the biggest mysteries is why the Titanic continued sailing at nearly full speed, despite receiving multiple iceberg warnings throughout the day. The ocean was unusually calm. I have never seen the Atlantic so still.
Yes, sir. It is like a mirror.
Another mystery involves the nearby ship, Californian. It was much closer than many realized during the disaster.
But she won't answer our calls. Sir, that's the second rocket she has fired.
They are likely just signaling colors to another ship.
Experts still debate whether a faster response from the Californian could have saved hundreds of additional lives that tragic night.
Many valuable items remain inside the wreck, but most experts believe the site should be treated as a protected underwater memorial. Every expedition to the Titanic reveals new details, helping researchers better understand the ship's final hours and the people on board. Deep in the abyss, the great wreck is yielding. Salt water and bacteria consume its iron frame. Year by year, it collapses into the mud. Scientists warn that future generations may never see the Titanic in the same condition. This is because the wreck continues to deteriorate over time.
More than a century later, the Titanic remains one of history's most unforgettable stories, reminding the world of both human ambition and human vulnerability.
Several survivors later described the night as unbelievably quiet, with only the sound of freezing water and distant cries across the dark ocean.
Many passengers left behind everything they owned, carrying only hope as they stepped into lifeboats. Under the cold night sky, crew members worked until the very end, helping passengers reach safety, even when they knew they might never survive themselves. The Titanic disaster inspired major improvements in emergency training, lifeboat drills, and international safety rules for passenger ships. Today, every modern cruise ship follows strict safety standards that were strengthened because of the lessons learned from the Titanic.
Researchers still use advanced technology to study the wreck, creating detailed 3D scans that reveal new information without disturbing the site. Each new discovery helps better understand what happened during the ship's final hours and correct long-standing myths. The Titanic has inspired countless books, documentaries, and films, keeping the story alive for new generations around the world.
More than 100 years later, the sinking of the Titanic continues to remind us that confidence should always be matched with preparation. The mystery of the Titanic is more than a story about a ship. It is a timeless lesson about human ambition, courage, and the power of nature. After the disaster, countries around the world worked together to improve safety standards, so tragedies like the Titanic would be far less likely.
In 1914, the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea introduced stronger rules that still influence maritime safety today.
Ships were required to carry enough lifeboats for everyone on board and maintain continuous radio watches to receive emergency messages.
The North Atlantic also began regular iceberg patrols, helping ships avoid dangerous ice fields during the busiest travel seasons.
Every year, historians, engineers, and oceanographers continue studying the Titanic to better understand its design, damage, and final moments. New technology allows researchers to create highly detailed digital models, revealing parts of the wreck that were once impossible to examine.
These discoveries continue to answer old questions while raising new ones, ensuring the Titanic remains a subject of ongoing research.
The story of the Titanic is remembered not only for its tragedy, but also for the bravery, sacrifice, and resilience shown that night. More than a century has passed, yet the name Titanic still captures the imagination of millions of people around the world.
Its legacy lives on through history. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more mystery and unsolved facts.
Even today, the Titanic rests silently on the ocean floor, hidden beneath thousands of meters of water and surrounded by complete darkness.
Scientists believe the wreck will continue to weaken as deep-sea bacteria slowly consume its iron structure year after year.
Future generations may never see the Titanic as it appears today, because nature is gradually reclaiming the famous ship. Every new expedition brings remarkable discoveries, from personal belongings to detailed images that help preserve the ship's story for history. The Titanic was more than a luxury liner. It became a symbol of innovation, ambition, hope, and one of history's greatest tragedies.
For many families, the disaster was deeply personal. Their letters, photographs, and memories continue to keep the passengers' stories alive. The lessons learned from the Titanic disaster continue to shape modern shipbuilding and emergency planning and international maritime safety standards.
More than 100 years later, people still search for answers, making the Titanic one of the world's most fascinating historical mysteries. Its story reminds us that technology alone cannot guarantee safety. Good decisions, preparation, and respect for nature are equally important.
Thank you for joining this journey into the mystery of the Titanic. If you enjoyed this story, like this video, and stay tuned for more incredible mysteries from history.